What's up, friend? Welcome back to CapCut's YouTube channel. My name is Bria, and today we're going to talk about how to create engaging, compelling social media content for your business. Putting out engaging social media content is key to the success of any business nowadays. You want to market your product in a unique, engaging way to maximize your audience and, of course, maximize your sales. Thankfully, CapCut has a ton of great features that make creating social media content for your business a total breeze. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a couple of my favorites. So let's get into it. Let's start with CapCut's Smart Ads. This one is really cool. I'm sure you already know that it's really hard to create a good ad, so this feature is amazing. It generates a bunch of ads for you in minutes. So we're starting out on the CapCut mobile app, and you can see the Smart Ads button here at the top. You have the option to generate ads from media, product information, or product URLs. The media option is really great if you already have a lot of photos and video footage of your product. All you do is select the media that you want to use from your camera roll, and CapCut will generate 10 ads for you to choose from. And you can always adjust the edit, move things around, that sort of stuff. But if you're happy with what you see, all you gotta do is tap that export button in the upper right-hand corner and you've got yourself an ad. Or 10. Product info to ads works pretty similarly to the AI script feature that we talked about in a previous tutorial, so go check out that tutorial if you haven't already. But you'll just type in your product name, brand name, and the product features. Add any media you'd like, and you can even add in some information about your target audience. Tap confirm and generate, and you've got yourself another 10 ads to choose from. But my favorite choice here is product URL to ads. Here you can enter the product URL from your TikTok shop or Shopify store, and CapCut will generate all of the product information for you. It'll even pull in media from that link. All you have to do is confirm that all the information is correct, and you can add your duration, promotional details, and target audience. And from there, you have another 10 ads ready and rearing to go. You and I already know that editing videos, especially ads, takes a lot of time and effort, so this feature is a game changer for your business. Let's also talk about AI background. This is another CapCut feature that is so good for businesses. Product photos can take a lot of time, money, and energy, and especially if you gotta remove the background and do all that editing, it makes it even harder. The AI background feature eliminates that struggle by taking a product photo that you can even take on your iPhone, removing the cluttered background, and then putting it in a new spot. It even reshapes the lights and shadows so that the product looks as natural as possible. Let's check this one out. Go onto the CapCut mobile app and then tap the product photo button. Choose the product photo you'd like to use from your camera roll. For this one, I just took a really simple picture of a perfume bottle. Tap the edit button and you'll see that the cluttered, ugly background is automatically removed. On this page, you can choose from a bunch of different backgrounds to sub in depending on the vibe you're going for. I'm gonna go with the gradient background for this one and press the check mark. On this page, you can change the dimensions, add text, add stickers, whatever you want. You can also tap in and expand your photo or make it smaller depending on what you're going for. Once you're happy with it, all there's left to do is export, and you can add it to your social media, to your TikTok shop, wherever your heart desires. Y'all, these CapCut features are a very big deal, and I highly recommend utilizing them for your business. I want to know in the comments, what's your favorite CapCut feature to use for your business, and what other tutorials or feature walkthroughs would you like to see from us? Let us know. And with that, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!